Choice here, another quick word. Thank you so very much. Thank you so very much for joining me for another session of Choice Spirit. Just have a quick word about testing your vibe, testing your vibration. I just had an idea, but I think it's pretty cool. Test your vibe throughout the day. Just do a self-check. Or become aware of what makes you feel a certain way. It's like someone can tell a story and they can take you on an emotional roller coaster ride in the story. In many of the movies and stuff, you are crying one moment, laughing the next moment. You are just absolutely going on this whole emotional, exciting, low and high vibe adventure within the, in the movie or the book or whatever you're observing, right? But how about taking yourself on a vibratory test ride? Kind of like throughout the day, check your vibe. If you're watching something, how are you feeling? If you are with someone, how are you feeling? If you talk about something, how are you feeling? If you're observing something, how are you feeling? If you're around someone, how are you feeling? If you're reading something, texting something, eating something, where is your mind and how are you feeling? How's your vibe? If you go to a certain place, how are you feeling? If someone brings up a name of someone, how are you feeling? Say, for instance, if someone owed you a few dollars, how are you feeling about that? And they've never paid you back. Or someone you feel did something to you that wasn't right. I mean, how are you feeling about that? Check your vibe throughout the day. Just check it. Try it. More about that later. Choice here. Check your vibe throughout the day. How are you feeling? Because let these things come up. So when they come up, you can actually choose to make some changes about the way that you feel about that situation that may have happened 30 years ago, 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago. It may be time to kind of like get you a shovel or a backhoe or something to dig up the roots of something that serves no purpose this day. Absolutely, it doesn't serve any other than to cause you heartache, headache. So, depending on what type of root it is, get you a backhoe, a shovel, a little pitchfork, and dig it up. Do a vibrational check. And remove all things that are not in your best interest and well-being this day. Oh yeah, how do you dig it up? Why not picture a backhoe coming in and digging that stuff out? I'm only joking. No. Okay. When you realize it's there, take a moment, ask yourself a question. Why am I feeling this way? Why am I feeling this way? Does it make sense today? And choose and set an intention for this to be a new day, a new feeling about whatever that vibe is. Tap that vibe and say, this is a new day. This is a new day, and set the intention that that will no longer control you again. That's it. It's that simple, but you got to believe it. Much love, Choice here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another session of Choice Spirit. Peace.